Do you have an Apple Watch that you want to get rid of, sell, or maybe just pass it on to any of your relatives? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove your Apple Watch from your iPhone and then add it to a different iPhone. So let's get started. Okay, so currently we have this Apple Watch right here, and also I have my Apple Watch Ultra, but I want to give these to my mom and I want to keep the Ultra. So let's make the transfer. As you can see right here on my watch, and it displays all watches and I have the two of them. What do you have to do in order for you to set up this one to a different phone? You have to turn off the activation lock and remove your personal information from your device. Tap on the Apple Watch that you want to give away. In this case, I'm gonna tap on this one and tap on the I button or icon. Then I'm gonna go and tap on unpair Apple Watch. Then again, you need to confirm unpair Apple Watch. Type your Apple ID password. Once that you have typed your Apple ID password, you tap on unpair and it's unpairing the Apple Watch now. As you can see here, it's unpairing it as well, and we can see that it starts to do something right here. And now when you see all watches, you can see that there is only one Apple Watch. Now tap on done, and that's it. As you can see, this one is rebooting. And of course, when you erase all contents and settings, it completely erases your device, including any cards you added for Apple Pay and in photos, contacts, music, or applications. It also turns off iCloud Message, FaceTime, Game Center, and other services. Your content won't be deleted from the iCloud when you erase your device. And of course, you have to make sure that you connect your Apple Watch to its charger when you're doing this. Now, this is the cell phone that I want to pair this Apple Watch with. So as you can see, it already recognized it. And use your iPhone to set up these Apple Watches. Watch would like to send you notifications. Okay, I'm gonna say allow, and I'm gonna say set up for myself. Now hold Apple Watch up to the camera. Your Apple Watch is paired. Now we type on set up Apple Watch. Wrist preference. Then it displays the terms and conditions. Tap on agree. Now it says Apple Watch passcode. It says select your preferred reading experience, adjusting the controls. I'm gonna set up a little bit bigger just so my mom can see the letters. Let's tap on continue. I'm gonna say okay, and then it says personalize fitness and health. I'm gonna set done, continue. Okay, next. I'm gonna set okay, 30-minute set exercise. And then get notifications about your health. And are you taking these hard medications? Hold the side button to call emergency services and notify emergencies. Then this I'm gonna set up later. And then grid view or list view. I'm gonna say grid view and continue. Welcome to Apple Watch. Now it says device added to account, and as you can see, the Apple Watch is already here. We can just unblock it right here and start using it. You can add more faces if you add them right here, but I'm gonna leave that for a different video. So here you just say device added to your account, and you can edit or set up the notifications, app view, and dock. Now we have pair this Apple Watch with this new or different phone. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.